Excuse me,
Yes, please.
I want to ask you three questions, right?
Oh, sure.
First of all, do you like meat?
Oh, well, obviously, I like meat.
Why do you like meat?
There are many reasons of like meat. First of all, it gives us energy, protein. It makes us strong, and it kills our hunger. And then, for these reasons, I like meat.
Oh, yeah. So, do you like fruit?
Oh, well, obviously, I like food very much.
Why do you like fruit?
Oh, there are many reasons of liking food. First of all, it is very healthy for us. Secondly, it makes us strong. Thirdly, it makes us disease free. And, and lastly, not the least, it is a gift of Almighty Allah to us. From by to be a gift of Almighty Allah, we all should take fruit, and it is also very healthy for us.
Well, and next, last question.
Yeah.
Do you like fish?
Oh well, I don't like fish very much.
Yeah.
I like some types of fish, some kinds of fish, not too much,
Such as
such as eel shell, lobster, mm,
salmon. Do you like
salmon,
also salmon
yeah,
fish?
tuna, and
Yeah.
then
Okay, Mr. Mugdha, thank you so much for joining
welcome.
us. Okay. Hope to see you next class. Bye.
Yes, bye.